What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will show you how to add friends on Discord. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, there are two ways that you can add friends on Discord. And the first way is through server. So you need to go to a server in order to add friends. So if you want to go to server, just click this plus button right here in the bottom left and just join a server. So me, I already have a server, and on the right side you will see this bunch of people that you can add. If you want to add them, just click their name right here, and if after you click that, just click this profile picture to view their profile, and right there you can send the friend request to them. That's basically it. So for example, another one, this one, click their name, click their profile picture, and you will view their profile and send them a friend request, and that's basically it. And that's the first way. The second way is through manually adding them. So in order to manually add them, you will need to know their username and Discord tag. So if you don't know what Discord tag is and username, just click their profile right here, and right there, this is their username as well as their Discord tag. So if you have if you want to add your friends, someone you know, and you're not in the same server, this is how you're going to do it. Just go to your just go to this button right here in the top left corner, and after you click that, there will be an add friend button right here. Just click that and just put their username as well as their Discord tag, and that's it. You can now send a friend request to them, and that's all you can do. That's how you can add friends on Discord. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.